What if you could get paid the next time you shop at your favorite store? Or what if you could quickly save money with automatic coupon codes without having to search the internet for them yourself? Well, a free shopping rewards platform called Coupert can make this a reality. This leading shopping app, extension, and rewards website has over 6 million users and works with over 200,000 retailers around the world. And it's honestly a super easy way to potentially save more money while also earning rewards at the same time. But there are several core features and tips and tricks you definitely want to know if you want to maximize your savings and Coupert experience. And that's why this Coupert review is sharing everything you need to know about Coupert to get started, how to decide if it's right for you, and how you can maximize your savings with this leading shopping rewards platform. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. But really quickly, guys, just a disclaimer like I put in these videos, everything I'm sharing today is based on my own personal testing and research and experience as someone who has been using these kinds of programs for years. Results aren't guaranteed, but I honestly think Coupert is a pretty cool way to save some money, earn some cash back, earn some rewards. I think you guys will like it. And with that in mind, let's get on to the Coupert review. Alright guys, so what exactly is Coupert all about? Well, like I mentioned, Coupert is a free extension and platform that's designed to help consumers save money when they shop online. And it currently supports Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, Safari, and also has a mobile app. Now getting started with Coupert, it's super simple. You basically sign up for free with your Google account or email, and this whole thing takes about 30 seconds. From there, Coupert has 3 main ways that can help you save money and earn rewards. Firstly, there's the automatic coupon testing, then there's also Cashback Rewards, and there's also a very useful price comparison feature. I'm going to show you guys how each of these features work and how they can actually help you save money with some real world examples. And I'll also be highlighting a new and exciting Coupert feature not a lot of people know about yet that can help you earn even more. But more on that one later. Alright guys, so one of the first ways you can start using Coupert to save money is with its automatic coupon testing, and this is so easy to use and works at thousands of retailers. Now in the past, if you wanted to use coupon codes online, you'd have to search for them, you'd have to do a lot of manual digging, and most of the codes you apply at checkout wouldn't even work. With Coupert, this is a thing of the past. Coupert's automatic coupon testing service is supported by over 3 million retailers, and there's tons of popular retailers in this list, including ones like Amazon, Best Buy, Costco, Macy's, Target, Walmart, and plenty of other massive retailers. It's also super simple to use. All you have to do is choose a merchant from Coupert's list of supported merchants or shop with the Coupert extension active on your browser. You shop like normal and then you head to the checkout page, and then Coupert will actually notify you if there are available coupons for it to apply at checkout to help you save money. All you have to do is click the Coupert extension button in your browser, and then Coupert starts searching for available coupon codes to apply to your purchase. When Coupert finds a coupon that actually works, you just hit the apply coupon button and it will apply it to your purchase for instant savings. And let me show you guys a real world example here that again impressed me with Coupert. When I'm shopping for clothing at a store like Brynja, Coupert notifies me that there are available coupons to use. Once I hit apply coupons, it tests each of them out, and in this case, I found over $30 in savings with just one coupon code. And again, this is cool because you do it with the click of a button and you're not wasting time yourself searching the internet for expired coupon codes that never work. Now, this feature doesn't always find active coupon codes, so you won't always find savings, but again, it's the click of a button, so it's super simple to use. Plus, Coupert also has a feature called Max Savings Guarantee. And basically, if you find a valid coupon that Coupert didn't detect, or if you don't save on several eligible orders in a row, your order may be protected and still earn a cash reward. This is a neat feature because it's basically Coupert saying, hey, if you stick with us in the long run, we will make sure you find some savings and discounts, which is a really cool feature I haven't seen on similar platforms. But okay guys, that's the couponing side of Coupert, and now it's time to show you guys feature number 2, which is earning cashback rewards. And Coupert honestly has some pretty decent potential here. In fact, Coupert actually lets you earn cash back from over 75,000 retailers, including more massive brands like Temu, Sephora, eBay, AliExpress, Kohl's, Walgreens, and plenty more. Again, it works super similarly. You either visit Coupert and pick the retailers you want to shop at to earn cash back, or you enable the browser extension, and when you're shopping on an eligible partner, Coupert will let you know that you may earn cash back for your purchase. And honestly, guys, you can find some pretty simple savings and cashback earnings here. For example, right now, I'm shopping for a new pair of running shoes on Adidas, and I found this pair of Adizero Evo shoes that I want to get. Coupert couldn't find any coupons, but it does give me an estimated 5.6% cash back on this pair of shoes. And honestly, this is pretty great because this is over $5 in cash back that again, I can earn with just the click of a button and by using Coupert. Just note that with Coupert, cashback rewards typically take 3 to 15 business days to actually credit to your account, so it won't deposit instantly, but the more you shop with Coupert, the faster your cash back gets deposited in your account. You can also redeem your cash back for gift cards, PayPal, or even a bank transfer once it appears in your account. And again, I like that Coupert helps you save money upfront with coupons, but then also with cashback rewards. Now, one third and very cool feature I wanted to share quickly is Coupert's price comparison feature. And basically, Coupert helps you compare prices when you're shopping on retailers like Amazon to make sure the product you're buying comes from the most affordable retailer possible. And guys, this feature alone can save you so much money. For example, let's say I'm trying to buy something like a Stanley Quencher on Amazon. I can find one now for about 35 bucks. But Coupert actually pops up with a notification saying it found a potentially cheaper price at other retailers. And when I click the compare prices option, it shows me a list of retailers it found with the same Stanley just for less. And in this case, I actually found a Stanley that's $15.10 less than shopping on Amazon, plus some other cheaper options as well. And honestly, this is a Coupert feature that can make a pretty decent difference in your spending and your savings, especially if it finds you a few cheaper options every single month. Again, it might sound simple, but this is just another way you can stretch more of your money, stay on budget, and not overspend when you shop online. And it is just as easy to use as Coupert's other features. But okay guys, a fourth Coupert feature I wanted to mention also very quickly. It's newer and it's quite exciting and a great fit for this channel, and it's Coupert's ability to let you earn extra rewards by completing different tasks. For example, with Coupert, you can now earn additional rewards by doing things like completing surveys, signing up for free trials, viewing stores, submitting your own coupon codes, and even just by clicking on things. So this is really more of a gamified and GPT style way of earning extra rewards, but I like that Coupert has cashback as one option and now even more ways for you to earn a little bit of extra on the side. But okay guys, how does Coupert actually pay you? Well, I touched on it briefly, but like I mentioned, you can earn cash back and you can now earn rewards with Coupert. So how do you actually cash out with this platform? Well, right now, Coupert lets you redeem your cashback rewards or other earnings in a couple of different ways. For example, you can redeem Coupert earnings for various free gift cards, for PayPal funds, and even for bank transfers. What I also love is that first-time users can cash out at just $1, and then future cash outs take $10 to redeem. Honestly, a $1 cash out for the shopping reward space is super low, and I also like that you can redeem earnings once you reach $10, because a lot of platforms in this space have higher requirements, or they even pay you quarterly, so you don't really have control over when you cash out. But okay guys, what are the pros and cons, and why would you potentially use Coupert, and why might you skip this platform? Well, really guys, the first pro, it's simple, but it's that Coupert works with so many stores, including thousands and thousands of popular major retailers, so there's really no shortage of choice. Now, the second pro is just that Coupert's very easy to use. It works on your phone, it has a browser extension, and it works on numerous browsers, so pretty much anyone can get started with Coupert. Now, the third pro is just that the cashback rates themselves are also very competitive. I'm testing out reward apps and cashback platforms all of the time. Coupert holds up with the best of them and has higher rates than many of the other players out there. And finally, the fourth pro is that Coupert has pretty decent reward variety. And again, I like that you control when you cash out and you don't have to wait for quarterly payments like some of the other companies in this industry. Now, as for the cons, the first one, and this isn't unique to Coupert, but it's just the state of reward apps, it's not that useful if you don't shop online that much. If you're the kind of person who shops online regularly, I definitely think you should check out Coupert. But if you basically never shop online, then it's not really worth your time. Now, as for the second con, it's that sometimes cashback doesn't track 100% correctly. When this happens, you can contact Coupert support and get help, and they will credit your account with the proper cashback. But again, it's worth keeping in mind because sometimes cashback platforms, they're a little bit finicky. This isn't unique to Coupert, and sometimes retailers aren't always the best at reporting purchases. Things get messed up with tracking, so just keep that in mind because it can happen occasionally. But anyways, guys, that does it for my Coupert review and how you can use this leading platform to start saving more money and earning rewards at the same time. Honestly, I just started using Coupert recently. I'm going to keep testing it out. I've already started using it for some online purchases, and I'm a pretty big fan. I'll also be linking Coupert down below in the description box and pinned comment if you want to try them out yourselves and also help support the channel. But yeah, that really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.